Welcome back to Easy Driver. This is part 3 of our Lexus RX 350 versus Honda Pilot comparison series. Today, we'll thoroughly examine their overall value to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of these vehicles. Smart home integration and connectivity options. In today's digital age, smart home integration and connectivity options have become increasingly important. The Lexus RX 350 offers Lexus Inform Remote, a system that allows you to remotely access and control certain vehicle features using your smartphone or smartwatch. This includes starting the engine, locking and unlocking doors, and adjusting climate settings, among others. Similarly, the Honda Pilot offers Honda Link, a connectivity system that provides access to various features through your smartphone. With Honda Link, you can view vehicle information, receive maintenance reminders, schedule service appointments, and even locate your parked vehicle using the app. Both the Lexus RX 350 and the Honda Pilot offer connectivity options such as Bluetooth, USB ports, and auxiliary inputs for easy device pairing and charging. These features allow you to stay connected and entertained while on the road. So, both the Lexus RX 350 and the Honda Pilot offer impressive technology and innovation features. The Lexus RX 350 excels in luxury refinement and offers a user-friendly infotainment system, while the Honda Pilot focuses on practicality and reliability. Whether you prioritize a refined driving experience or a practical and reliable one, these vehicles have technology offerings to suit your needs. Pricing and value. When it comes to purchasing a new vehicle, pricing and value play a crucial role in the decision-making process. Let's compare the pricing and value aspects of the Lexus RX 350 and the Honda Pilot, two popular SUVs in the market. First, let's delve into the details. Lexus RX 350 price range and trims. The Lexus RX 350 offers a range of trims to suit various preferences and budgets. The base trim, the RX 350, usually starts at an average MSRP of around $45,000. As you move up the trims, such as the RX 350F Sport and RX 350 Luxury, the prices can go up to approximately $55,000 and $60,000, respectively. Keep in mind that these prices may vary depending on the location and any additional features or packages you choose. Honda Pilot price range and trims. Similar to the Lexus RX 350, the Honda Pilot provides different trims to cater to different needs. The base model, the Honda Pilot LX, generally starts at an average MSRP of approximately $32,000. As you progress to higher trims like the XL and Touring, the prices can range from $38,000 to $45,000. It's important to note that pricing may differ based on various factors including geographical location and optional features. Resale value comparison. Resale value is an important consideration for many buyers, as it can impact the overall cost of ownership in the long run. According to industry experts, the Lexus RX 350 tends to hold its value well over time. Its reputation for reliability and luxurious features contributes to its strong resale value. On the other hand, the Honda Pilot also boasts reasonable resale value, thanks to Honda's reliable reputation and widespread popularity. Cost of ownership comparison. Besides the initial purchase price, it's crucial to evaluate the overall cost of ownership, including factors like fuel efficiency, maintenance, and insurance costs. Both the Lexus RX 350 and Honda Pilot offer competitive fuel efficiency for their respective classes, helping to keep long-term fuel costs reasonable. When it comes to maintenance, Lexus vehicles are known for their reliability and often have lower maintenance costs. However, Honda also has a reputation for building durable and low-maintenance vehicles. In terms of insurance costs, it's advisable to request personalized quotes from insurance providers, considering factors such as the driver's profile, location, and coverage options. Taking into account all of these factors, it's important to carefully consider your individual needs and priorities to determine which vehicle offers the best value for you. Remember to conduct thorough research, compare prices, and consider long-term ownership costs before making a final decision. Pros and cons. When comparing the popular SUVs, Lexus RX 350 and Honda Pilot, it's essential to consider the pros and cons of each vehicle. This will help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Pros of Lexus RX 350. Luxurious interior. The Lexus RX 350 offers a refined and upscale cabin, boasting high-quality materials and excellent craftsmanship. It provides a comfortable and luxurious driving experience for both the driver and passengers. Smooth and quiet ride. The RX 350 is known for its smooth and quiet ride, making it perfect for long journeys or daily commutes. The suspension system effectively absorbs bumps on the road, resulting in a serene driving experience. Advanced safety features. Lexus prioritizes safety, and the RX 350 is equipped with a wide range of advanced safety features. These include a pre-collision system, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Reliability and resale value. Lexus vehicles are well regarded for their reliability, and the RX 350 is no exception. It consistently ranks high in reliability surveys, meaning you can count on it for years to come. Additionally, the RX 350 holds its value well, making it a smart investment. Cons of Lexus RX 350. Limited third-row seating. The RX 350 is a two-row SUV, which means it lacks the extra seating capacity that some competitors offer. If you require a vehicle with a third row for larger families or frequent carpooling, the RX 350 may not be the ideal choice. Less cargo space. While the RX 350 provides ample cargo space for everyday needs, it falls slightly short compared to some of its rivals. If you regularly require extensive storage capacity, it may be worth considering alternative options. Pros of Honda Pilot. Spacious interior. The Honda Pilot is known for its generous interior space. With 3 rows of seating, it comfortably accommodates up to 8 passengers, making it an excellent choice for larger families or those who frequently transport a full load of passengers. Versatile cargo configurations. The Pilot excels in cargo space flexibility, with various configurations to accommodate both passengers and cargo. The rear seats fold flat easily, providing maximum cargo capacity when needed. Strong performance. The Pilot offers a powerful engine and smooth handling, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience. It provides ample power for highway merging and passing, making it suitable for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Family-focused features. Honda understands the needs of families, and the Pilot reflects this understanding. It is equipped with family-friendly features, such as an available rear seat entertainment system, multiple USB ports for charging devices, and advanced driver assistance systems. Cons of Honda Pilot. Less luxurious interior. While the Pilot offers a comfortable cabin, some may find it lacks the upscale feel of competitors like the RX 350. The materials used may not have the premium appeal that some luxury-seeking buyers desire. Road noise. Compared to its rivals, the Pilot can be slightly noisier on the road, especially at higher speeds. It may not provide the same level of tranquility as some of its more refined competitors. When considering the Lexus RX 350 and Honda Pilot, it's crucial to weigh these pros and cons against your specific preferences and requirements. Keep your priorities in mind to make an informed choice that aligns with your needs for a reliable, comfortable, and enjoyable driving experience. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing between the Lexus RX 350 and the Honda Pilot, both vehicles have their unique strengths and features. The Lexus RX 350 offers a luxurious and refined driving experience, with its elegant design, premium interior, and advanced technology. On the other hand, the Honda Pilot provides a spacious and practical option, with its versatile seating and ample cargo space. Ultimately, the choice between these two SUVs will depend on your specific preferences and needs. If you prioritize luxury, comfort, and a more upscale driving experience, the Lexus RX 350 might be the ideal choice for you. However, if you require a family-friendly vehicle with more seating and storage capacity, the Honda Pilot could be the better option. Regardless of your decision, both the Lexus RX 350 and the Honda Pilot are reliable and well-regarded vehicles in their respective classes. Conduct thorough research, test drive both models, and consider your priorities to make an informed decision that suits your lifestyle and requirements. Thank you for watching Part 3, the conclusion of our comparison between the Lexus RX 350 and Honda Pilot, emphasizing safety and overall value. Don't forget to comment below, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Thank you for watching.